Dear students, we are doing a practical class or practice class on direct and indirect speech. It means it is nothing but an exercise of changing different kinds of sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. First one, we know how many types of sentences are there. Declarative sentences. Declarative sentences. Govind said. Govind said. I am ill now. It is a declarative sentence. So we have to follow the rules that are applicable to transform this declarative sentences. Here, Govind said, I am ill now. Whenever or when we are or while we are transforming that direct to indirect speech, first of all we have to see the reporting verb, the tense of the reporting verb. Here it is reporting verb. It is reporting verb. It is in the past tense. So that we have to transform the tense of this reported speech. And others. Govind said that. You have to remove these inverted commas and comma. These are called punctuation marks. And then we have to change the pronoun I. It is as I is the first person pronoun, it should be changed according to the subject of the sentence. I relates to the subject to Govind. So I here becomes he. And the tense am, as the sentence of the reporting verb is in the past tense, it should be changed to past. He was ill, now becomes then. It is an adverbial clause, now becomes then. It is the transformation of declarative sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. Let's see the other sentence. Gopal says, I am ill now. I am ill now. Here also we have to change. It is also declarative sentence. How? This is changed. Gopal says that, as the reporting verb is in the present tense, we need not to change the tense of the reported speech. Here, Gopal says that the first person pronoun. It is changed according to the subject of the sentence. That he is ill now. It is the transformation of declarative sentences that are in the direct speech to indirect speech. Come to the interrogative sentences. He said to me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing now? It is an interrogative sentence. So interrogative, how the interrogative sentences are transformed by this, we know that. He asked me. He asked me. He asked me. What WH words are used? Same. What? Here you becomes, you is changed, as it is, you is a second person pronoun. It is changed according to the object of the sentence. So he asked me what I was doing. What I was doing. What I was doing. Now becomes there. It is the transformation of an interrogative sentence from the direct speech to indirect speech. It is an interrogative sentence. And here it is related to the WH word question. And we have helping verb questions. See that also. He asked, he said to me, he said to me, he said to me, are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? It is also an interrogative sentence. It is formed by helping verbs. So it is transformed from direct to indirect in a different way. He asked me. He asked me. He asked me. If it is as it is in the past tense, so we have to utilize the past tense. And you, the pronoun you, is transformed according to the subject, not the subject, object of the sentence, not the subject. And here you is transformed according to the object of the sentence. He asked me if I was, why was, or became was, because as the reporting verb is in the past tense, then we use the past tense. As he asked me if I was a teacher. I was a teacher. It is the transformation of interrogative sentences from the direct speech to indirect speech. Come to the imperative sentences. Come to the imperative sentence. He said to me, close the door, close the door. He said to me, close the door. It is the transformation of imperative sentence from the direct speech into indirect speech. He ordered me, he ordered me to close the door. It is the transformation of imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are the orders, commands, or requests. He ordered me to close the door. That is the transformation of imperative sentence from the direct speech to indirect speech. Come to the last and final, that is the exclamatory sentence. That is the exclamatory sentence. He said to me, What a teacher you are. What a teacher you are. What a teacher you are. This is an exclamatory sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. We find the exclamations here. He exclaimed. He exclaimed. 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 He exclaimed. M-I-E-D. E-X-M-I-D. He exclaimed that. He exclaimed that. What a teacher you are. He said to me. It is the object and it is the subject. But here you is a second person pronoun. So it should be transformed according to the object of the sentence, not the subject of the sentence. What is the object of the sentence here? Me is the object of the sentence. Here you means me. As it is the object, we have to utilize the subject of the subject. Me. I exclaimed that I. Me becomes I. I was a great, great teacher. Great teacher. It is about the explanation of different kinds of sentences. They are the declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory, from the direct speech to indirect speech. It's a simple explanation of transforming the sentences from different kinds of sentences of direct speech into indirect speech.